Hello everyone, welcome. In this section, we will discuss about the package diagram, and by end of this particular section, you will be able to draw the package diagram. Now, what is a package diagram? A package diagram is a type of structural diagram used in the UML to show the organization and the arrangement of the system components. Now, in this context, why I am showing the class diagram is we will create the relationship between student, course and instructor in the package diagram. Now, because we started with the class diagram, building student, course and instructor, it will be easier for you to relate this in a package diagram. So, even before you start drawing the package diagram, there are certain things which you need to do. Now, all the students, what I will do here is I will now build on top of what we have built till now. Okay, let me delete this for time being, and now I will first build a student package. Now, to build a student package, the first thing I need to do is I need to create some more classes. Okay, I will create a class named as student details, where the attribute values can be like the personal details of the student. It may be anything, where the student is living, what is the address of the student, what is his father name, and all those details. The second class I will build is the enrollment. Okay, ENROLLMENT, enrollment. Now, this is again the details of the student enrollment, where it manages the course a student is enrolled in. Okay, I will again draw another class, and this class I will named as grade. Okay, now this is about the grades of the student. The class compartment still stays same. I am not doing the attributes because our objective in this particular section is not to talk about class diagrams but package diagrams. So I am saying for the student class, you can have a relation between student detail class, enrollment class, grade class. Like this, you can have multiple thing of classes which is related to the student when you are building an actual system. Now, for the course, I again want to draw some classes. What is the class? It can be course details, right? So for a course, it can be again all the details of the course. Now, this will be a foreign key, and that relationship you can build in a later stage. For time being, let us consider that course detail is another class. I can also build a schedule class or schedule class, whatever you say, depending upon your need. You can put attributes, and another class I will build for the course. Say for example, I will write this as syllabus. So the course must have a syllabus. So that is why I am giving these three classes. For now, instructor can have again three more classes or two more classes depending upon. For time being, because I am keeping it consistent, I am again drawing three. Say for example, for the instructor class, it can be instructor details. Okay, I will keep it again aligning to the class of the instructor so that you can easily relate things and you don't have any problem while you go back to the course back and forth, right? Now, instructor details, again another class I will say as teaching. Okay, so I'm just building the class. This is not a package, remember that. I'm building the class and then I will show you how to relate this with the package diagram. Okay, the last one, For the instructor, a feedback is a must, which will tell them that whether the instructors are doing good or not. For that, I am creating a. Now I have created around 6, 7, 8, 9 more classes. Now the relationship will come later in the package diagram. First, we will now create the package diagram. Now let us go to the diagram navigator. Here in the diagram navigator, what you need to do is you need to click on the model explorer. When you click on the model explorer, you will see, remember, I am in the class diagram section. In the class diagram, I am clicking on the model explorer. Now, whatever tool you use, you can create the package diagram using the same methods. They may or may not have the model explorer, but you will get a package definitely section where you can build the package diagram. Now, what you have to do, you can right click over here and create a new package. Now, what is the package name we want to do? We want to give this package name as student, because we are dealing with student. Now, there is no parent for the student, and I want to make the visibility as public. You can make public, private, protected, depending upon what you want to do. Now, you apply and tell OK. The moment you say that, a student package has been created, right? This is the student package. Now, what you do is you need to drag the student details. Okay. You need to drag the what are the things we have done was student details, enrollment. Where is the enrollment gone? This is enrollment. I am just putting that inside the student package. And what was the other one? It was grades. So I'm just putting the grades inside the student. Now 3 things has been formed into the student package. Okay, you know that this is the first package which you have created. Now I want to create one more package. I will go to the model element. I will go to the package. Again, the package name will be, in this particular case, course package, right? So you can write it as course package. You can write it as a directly course, depending upon what you prefer. I am saying course package because this is the package which we are building. Now in the course, what were the items we have created? If you remember, course details. Can you find out course details here? I am able to see course details here, and this course details has to go inside the course package. So I'm just taking it inside the course package. Second one is schedule is what we have done. Where is the schedule gone? Yes, here it is. I will take this schedule and put it inside the course package. Okay. And the third one is syllabus. If you see syllabus here, take that syllabus and put it inside the course package. So again, I have created one more package, that is course package. The second one is student package. The first one was student package. The second one is course package. There is one more which we have to build, that is the instructor. Again, I will go back to the model element. I will tell create the package, and I will say this as instructor. The moment you say that, the instructor package will be created. Now we have to drag in the same way the instructor details and put it inside the instructor package. Okay, then I have teaching. I guess, yes, it is teaching. I will be putting inside the instructor package. And then there was a feedback, if you remember, should be inside the instructor package. Now all the classes what I have created are inside the package. Okay, now is the point when I will be creating the package diagram, because all my courses are now ready and now I can build the package diagram. Now what I will do is I will again go to the diagram navigator and I will go to the package diagram section. Earlier, if you remember, we were doing object diagrams here, we were doing class diagram over here. Now we will right click on the package diagram. I will click here, I will say new package diagram. Same way in other modeling tools like star UML you can also build. If you remember, I was telling that in star UML you do have the option where you can model your, sorry, wait a second, yeah, here you can add the package diagram in the similar way. In all modeling tools you will get these options. Just for the sake of understanding, I'm just showing this. Now let us go back. Now I have clicked on the package diagram, right? After that you can see a package diagram one has been automatically created. Now what I will do, I will go to the model explorer. In the model explorer, the first thing I will take is the student package. Where is the student package? This is the student package, you can see. I'll just drag and drop there. Again I will go to the model. The next one was our course. I will drag and drop there. The third one was instructor, so just drag and drop the instructor. So now we have created 3 package, isn't it? And this 3 package, how they are related is something we can draw depending upon. Now in general, if you see, this package is consisting of student details, enrollments and grades. So basically you can define those inside this if you want, or else you can keep it separate. Now if you see the packages, all these 3 packages are consisting of all the classes that we have created, isn't it? Let me drag this. Then we will create the relationship, that how these packages are related to each other.